Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1119 at One World Hotel in Petaling Jaya. I would do the introduction outside, but there's music playing in the hallway, so I'm doing the introduction inside. And as usual, outside the door we have the room number to the left and the doorbell to the right, and this is the key card. That is the floor plan. Right here we have a couple of light switches for the room together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here, we have the entrance to the bathroom. Here we have the shower area with the handheld shower and the rain shower, together with the usual shampoo, shower gel and conditioner bottles right there. That's a bath mat. Here we have the toilet with toilet paper, the telephone. And here we have the sink area with storage right there, towels right there, the bin. Sink is in the middle with all the bathroom amenities right there and a box of tissues. And above the sink we have mirrors, lights, a shaving mirror to the right with a power outlet, glasses and a bar soap right there. Here we have the bathtub with another mirror, more towels, and another set of shampoo, shower gel and conditioner. Okay, the bathroom does have a sliding door if you want more privacy. Right down there is the power outlet with the climate control panel right there and a light switch. Here we have a place to put luggage together with the connecting room door. Flat screen sharp TV. Opposite the TV we have a sofa-like thing. The bed, which is actually quite comfortable. On the right bedside table we have drawers, a light, some light switches together with a couple of power outlets. Here we have the wardrobe area with all the in-room slippers and laundry stuff below. Laundry bag right there, a drawer for storage, in-room safe, a shelf with the hairdryer, and there's an extra pillow right above. Here we have hangers and the bathrobes. Alright, here we have the ironing board, iron, torchlight, and another extra pillow right above. Here we have the pantry area with the minibar menu, mugs, snacks, all the tea and coffee making stuff. We have bottles of water, the ice bucket, glasses, kettle is right there, and there are mirrors behind the pantry area. Down here, we have an empty drawer. All right, here we have a power outlet. Right at the bottom is the fridge. It is not empty, but we can still store items in there. Here we have a chair, the bin, desk area, in-room telephone with a USB-A port, a HDMI port, more USB-A ports, a couple of power outlets, and a couple of light switches. Another chair right there, and there's a light right above. Another sofa, and on the left bedside table we have more drawers, the TV remote, writing materials, the in-room telephone, another light, more light switches, and more power outlets behind. As for the view, we get the other office building next to the hotel, the surrounding area of the hotel, tennis courts, the road that is in front of the hotel, and we can see part of the One Utama Mall right there. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1119 at One World Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.